Hello everyone, this is Paradox. Back to another video. Today we'll be doing some beginner Roux example solve, so let's get into it. First scramble. Okay, so... oh wow, what is that? Okay, we have this 2x2 here. That's very nice. Okay, so I mean, obviously that's there, but I still want to look at other things, so maybe this. Not that great. Or this, same thing, not that great. So, yeah, I'm just gonna use this. That's pretty lucky. So, here, I would just note, well, the only other two pieces you need to look at for first block are just these two. So, I would do a U prime, so that they're set up opposite like this, and then F2, and then I could insert them into the front like this. And DR is already attached, so just do that. And then we have this nice 2-gen case, these two, just like that. And then I see that this is the same color as this, so they would match up in just one move. Insert them into the back like so. And now here we have the CMLL, and this is an eolr, so it goes M prime, then U M prime to get good arrow. Put them on the bottom, and then here I know I'm gonna get dots. I execute it like that because I think it's faster, but you could also do that, whichever you prefer. Okay, so here I see a few DLs, like I see this and this. So the green one, it looks okay. And then red, okay, red could work. There is this little thing here, but this, which is supposed to go in here, is not in a good spot. Yeah, so I would just go with this red, white. So hold it on the left, and I would just note that these two can be solved like this. So set them opposite, and then M2, and then you have this case, so into the back. And then DR's at the back, so I would do an M2. You could do an RY2 to see more things, but I already see these two, and I know it's going to set up into a pretty nice case after insert DR, so I would just do M2, and you see we have this nice 2-gen case into the front, and then these two, so I'd solve it like this. So now I can just see from this angle that it's going to be this CMLL where it's 2-gen, and then pretty nice arrow here, eolr, and then here I know my cycle case is this. Alright, next one. Okay. So I saw this right off the bat, but that's not in a good spot, so I'm not going to use that. I don't see much that's good here, actually. I mean, I see that this is one move, but like these two are not convenient. What else is there? Okay, this is one move, but same thing, nothing's really convenient, so yeah, okay. Okay, I think I have something. So there is this here, that I can kind of use well. So if I did an F, this would be set up to go into there. So I would take this DL, and then I could just insert it in there. So that's for square, and then just for these two I'd do F2 and insert them into the front. So not the most efficient, but it'll do. And then here I would do RY2, insert DR like this, and then this case you could do it like this, but I prefer this way. And then these two, I see that they would connect like this, so I would just take it out and put it in like that. We have this nice CMLL, and then this good arrow side bottom. And then here, this is a cancellation. If you know DFDB, you'd see that these two match, these two in the back match, so you have to set them opposite. And that would lead you to a cancellation. So, all right, next one. But don't stress over those kind of cancellations if you're a beginner. Okay, so this scramble looks nice. So I see this and this, so obviously I can just do R and then just put in like that, so that's pretty nice. But I'm looking at these two now, and yeah, they will work nice. So I would do R, and then I would do E2, because I want this to stay, I want like this position to stay, so that I can insert them like this. So then I would go into DR. I would do an RY2 because I literally can't see anything from this. Okay, now I see everything. That's why you want to do R wide moves when you're inserting DR, to see more things. So this case, into the back, and that sets up this nicely. You could insert it like this, but a sledge helps to recognize CML easier, I feel. So I would just do a sledge, and then this CML. And now this is a 4-0 eolr, so what you do is M prime U2 M prime, and that sets up side bottom. Side bottom. And then here, this is a cancellation. If you set it up the opposite way, cancels. All right, let's do one more. Okay, this looks kind of straightforward because there's a DL here already done, and I just see a straightforward first pair and a straightforward second pair. So I'm not even going to look at the other options, mainly because I don't see anything else that looks good, but I think this is a good first block, so, or convenient first block. So I would just hold this on the left, and then I would just solve this in the front first, and I would do an M prime because I want this to stay. Because if I do this, then this is a pretty annoying case, I guess. So instead, M prime, and then insert it like that. So now there's this, and the reason I wanted to preserve this because it's also just straightforward. You separate this in the back, and then insert it like that. So yeah, straightforward for first block. And now DR, this is unlucky, but insert, and then we have this 2gen into the back. And then for this case, I used to do it, repair it like that, but I think it's better this way. Nice and 2gen. I'm saying that a lot, but 2gen for the win. And then you have this CML, and that unfortunately gives us a 6 flip. So How I just do 6 flips is I just do M prime, U prime, M prime, and that always gives a 1-1 case, and then I can just go from there. So that's not right. Yeah, just go for a 1-1 case and then just go from there. So I have this case and that cycle, so pretty bad LLC, but yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.